everybody. Welcome to day 4 of how to be a little extra in your classroom. So today I wanted to show you my new background. My phone's going off. Sorry about that. I figured that it was an important topic because, hello, it's fun and it's extra. And it's actually something that I need to work extra hard on to make it a little bit better. See, this is what happens in a classroom with students, like in a brick and mortar classroom that has actual walls and actual people that you could touch and see and smell and hear, like in real life. They have backgrounds that they change all the time. And they go along with the holiday, they go along with the season, they go along with a special project they're working on. So why do they do that? What is the importance of backgrounds? Kids are stimulated. They're visually stimulated by different things. And they're going to be interested in staring at the same blank wall every single day. Am I right? Right? No, come on now. They're not. I know that you are super awesome and they want to see your smiling face. And I know that after you've been watching these videos, you're a little bit extra in your classroom than you were, say, last week. And that's awesome, but now let's step it up and make your background fun. What can you do to make your background fun? Well, first of all, you can think about what holiday it is and make it kind of a holiday-themed background. What season is it? Make it kind of a seasonal-themed background. Or make it an educational themed background. But I'll tell you, almost every teacher has had at some point in time the alphabet behind them and whatever. And that's not as cool as a fun background. Just remember, every background that you pick, every time you change your background, you have to have the Palfish logo in there. Somewhere. Visible. Okay? So I wanted to just talk really quick. Where do I get the things from my background? If you looked at my old background, that was something that I actually had printed off at, where was it done at? Office Max, Office Depot, whatever it's called now. That I had that printed off there. And it's cool because it was cheap and I can hang it on the wall and it looks really nice and really professional. I think it was $11. But what's even cooler is this background's even cheaper and I can reuse it for different seasons. I can change it around the way I want it to. This entire background, including the tape that it costs to hang everything, cost me $8 at the dollar store. And I can use the map for something different. It doesn't have to be the 4th of July. What I think is really cool about this background, and I'll just tell you why I chose the map. A lot of the children are coming to America on vacations. All of them? No. But enough are coming to America on vacations. And it's pretty cool because I can show them. They're like, oh, where are you going on vacation? And they'll say, Los Angeles. And Los Angeles, and I'm probably saying this way wrong because I always mispronounce Chinese words. But Los Angeles is how they say Los Angeles, for example. I learned this because a student wrote it Los Angeles on the screen, and I had to try to, I was like, I wonder if that's Los Angeles. And I did it in the Google Translate, Los Angeles, and it pulled up Los Angeles. So I'm like, okay. Well, now they tell me where they're going. I'm going to New York City. Oh, I can show you where I live in relation to New York City. You can also do this by pulling up a picture of the United States or a picture of the states on your computer, but you have to have it saved in your images before you do that for it to pull up on the screen. But this is a really, really, really cool way to just bring a little excitement and liveliness into the classroom. I put balloons up, I'm hoping this day, because balloons are fun. I put flowers up when I'm teaching my flowers grow from seeds lesson, or what color is the flower, or blue, red, white, any of those lessons, I can pull that up. When I'm teaching the lesson about this is Katie's classroom. Katie lives in the United States of America. I can pull up my flag. I always have a flag anyways, but this one's cooler because it's bigger. All this stuff came from the dollar store, and I totally recommend heading out to the dollar store and just making your own one-of-a-kind background. You can make the traditional letters and shapes in the back, but it's really cool if you can do something fun that can spark a conversation. Oh, Sorry, I'm trying to hide my shirt. I'm not wearing a professional shirt. It's a band t-shirt. But you can be like, oh, and by the way, I would never wear this in class. This was just kind of a, hey, let's sit down and make a video today. But you could be like, oh, what is that? Oh, that's a balloon. Yeah, we like balloons. I also have a happy birthday balloon that I always keep in my classroom. It's a helium balloon, so it lasts like forever, and I can pull it out and sing happy birthday. Today, my last student, I teach a student at 10 p.m. Beijing time every Friday, and today he told me that it was his friend's birthday and he was having a sleepover. So he brought me to his friend and we sang happy birthday to him, and I brought the balloon, I pulled the balloon out, and we, talked to his friend a little bit, and then I said, okay, well, I hope to see you in the classroom soon. Andy, can I have my Andy back? Where's Andy? Because I don't want to spend too much time on his friend. The class is really, his parents are paying for it, but it was kind of cool. If it's another kid's birthday, like one of my students' birthday, I can pull the happy birthday balloon out. But yeah, just think of something fun that you can bring to add a little of excitement and liveliness in your classroom. Now, keep in mind, my Palfish screen is only like this big, so it does not show all of that. But it's enough to just, show the kids something fun and have a little something different up. So let's think about some different backgrounds that you could have for different months. And maybe me brainstorming out like this can help you think of something different for your, for your background. Let's see. January. January is New Year's, right? So you could have a New Year background. You could have a winter background. You could have like a polar bear background or something like that. February. Oh, I think I'm going to cut this short, actually. Well, if you think of backgrounds, my husband just pulled in the driveway and he's about to make some noise. But if you can think of some backgrounds that you like to use for each month, let's post them in the comments below. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.